Hey there, friends. Today I'm bringing you this Frigidaire side-by-side refrigerator, and we're going to do a trick with the water filter so you don't have to spend so much money on these original filters. So we press this filter to pull it towards us, and once we've done that, we're going to do a trick back there at the end where the water filter inlet is, and we're going to carefully remove this little cover. This part is held by tabs, and you remove it with a flathead screwdriver, but the tabs break very easily. So be very careful. We're going to remove the Phillips screw that's there, the only one, and pull the casing towards us. Now we can see the filter's inlet and outlet system, the ones that supply it. So we're going to remove those two hoses. Press the blue part upwards and pull the hose in the opposite direction, away from it. So once it's disconnected, we're going to make some cuts and attach this black connector you see here, which is called a push fit or fitting in some cases. So once this bypass is done, now the water won't go into the original filter, but instead will pass quickly through that connector. However, on the back side, it also has a universal filter. So this is already installed there, which is just how it goes originally. Let's test the water output. Look at that speed, what a water flow. Perfect. We can see there's no kind of leak. We also put the screw back in its place, the only one we removed, and put the cover back on. So once that's done, we return the original filter to its position. But be careful, this is no longer working. That's just going to stay there as decoration. And at the back of the refrigerator, there will be the quick flow filter, which is the generic filter.